Alright, so this is the intro. This is gonna be the intro. This video doesn't have an intro. I'm doing back-to-back vlogs. It's McKenna again. Hey McKenna. But yeah, this is back-to-back. Yeah. It's been back-to-back and I've been having to it took a week to edit it, so I'll just put it that way. It took forever.
And then once it got
and then I gotta post them back-to-back to back. So it'll be all stacked up. Really. You get weird looks, I told y'all that. So Jordan's gotta go off to where he's gotta go today. Incident, I tried to tell him not to.
Where did I put my flash drive?
You learned your lesson, Jordan. Did you learn your lesson?
Yeah, I learned my lesson.
Alright, good, because I told you not to do that from the start. This isn't High School Musical, we're on a movie. You must attend. Must attend, but I had the longest walk to go to class by myself. Got you again, Riley.
GoPro off.
Didn't work, no. Alright guys, I'm out in the gym now. Sure, what is going on here?
I don't know, man.
You don't know?
Somebody's getting raped. Are you
Somebody's getting raped. It's for YouTube, it's for the vlog. Yeah. Yeah, I'm about to go here in the gym. I just got done doing extra credit. Dorian, get your shot. Yeah, but I just got back from doing extra credit in math, so I can drive to school. Give you guys some car vlogs. So, if I want to drive, I got to keep everything over 80. That should be over an 80 already, but it's not. So, I'm about to play some basketball, get some cardio in, and then see. That's what I'm talking
about.
about.
Might go to the game, you know what I'm saying? You know, might show my face, you know. Say
All right, so he might go.
Might hop out.
I'm gonna bring the camera. I know I'm gonna bring the camera. I'm gonna go to Chase's house. It's gonna be live. I used to say that a lot, but I'm gonna be out there. I'm going to Chase's house first. This video has been all screwed up because this morning I stopped it at like 15 minutes. I had 17 minutes of recording, and I had to cut most of it out. And a lot of stuff I recorded today, but it was too long. Clip is from today. It's just in a different video. So if you want to see the continuation of it, watch the last video. That's that. And that's a quick update. I do not have any change. If they drop the price on the vending machine, I will.
Yeah, big city. Speak on it.
But yeah, we're out to the vending machine now. Another trip. Well, tie your shoe. Tie your.
What did I just say, dummy?
I said, well, hey, don't disrespect me in front of my people.
I can disrespect you.
No, you can't.
Wherever I want.
No, you can't.
Talking on his
Just tie your shoe. Okay? When this is in front of my face, I have the power.
You don't have shit.
Yes, I do. I stop it. I start it. I'm the alpha and the omega. When this is in front of my face.
Really?
Yes.
Hey, did you get that voice activation working in?
Yeah, it's working. I got it back.
GoPro off.
No, it's not. It's 2 steps to it. You don't understand those steps. We're here. Hey, it's not stupid. It's just smart. Jordan, we caught you getting the vending machine. That's your second time being on it when we're at the vending machine. I figure where our money goes. Ha! They said where all my money goes. Oh, there's Allison, Riley, Isaiah, and Ronnie. Ronnie was just in the weight room with me. No.
Ronnie only trying to act like your friend because you got a video camera out. Don't even worry about it.
What? All right, weight lift with Ronnie. Hey, Riley. Guys, it's something wrong with the machine. And we missed it all
Isaiah, it was an
trying to fix the camera. Like, how did you even, oh.
What's the matter? Don't shake. Just go in the cafeteria and see if somebody's in there.
No, it's nothing wrong with
He just
it.
messed up his.
Something happened.
No, I did. I was
I
an accident.
I was getting my money back. Like, it was something
Yeah,
else.
you accidentally pressed that.
Yeah.
Oh, whoa,
I
whoa.
told him I owed him money.
I didn't know.
See, now it's just spamming out and everything.
He's like, look,
It's just
Monday
spamming.
ain't no good. He wants some food now. Don't. Is it something hanging?
No, she like glitched the machine.
$4 from him.
Oh,
No,
man.
Yeah, it's 4. I got 173.
Okay, well that's what I'm saying. Let's go in and see Miss Diane.
Yeah, you gotta go.
Let's go get this. This is interesting, very interesting. He glitched out the machine.
It's gonna look weird if all 4 of us go.
What's Coach Cole? I mean,
Why would we go in there then?
I just saw it happen. But that's
You think
crazy.
we can go in there because we're witnesses?
No, I was just going to go. I was with Coach Cole. But like, guys, the machine just like glitched out. I know you guys just saw this like I did. You should have saw it earlier, a few seconds ago. I was trying to fix it. Like the camera was on a time lapse mode, and I had no idea. I had to fix it really quick. But like it just started glitching out. Money came out. It kept like trying to take money. I guess Isaiah hit it or Riley hit it, and it just started spazzing out. The lights started flashing. It was just crazy.
Riley hit it. He took his money. It's Riley's fault.
It just took his money,
Yeah, she always.
and then like Bart went out, and then I guess it took it back in. It's crazy. That was crazy. Never seen anything in my life like that. I think that's gonna be the title of this video. Vending machine goes crazy. All right, Logan. He's gonna try it. It worked. Yep, that worked. What do I want? I think I already got something in my bag. Wait, it.
Never mind. I was seeing if it
Oh, it
would
was
be
still in it?
Vanessa's dollar.
Yeah, but that was crazy.
No, you gotta tie a piece of tape to it with a string, put it in there, and then just yank it out.
Yeah, this clip is long as I don't know what though. But that was just crazy what just happened. That was really crazy. No, I'm going back to class. Cause she's gonna be like, where were you guys at? I would be like, Coach Cole. Alright, I'll make this in a different clip. I've never seen a machine do that. Are they almost done? Cause Logan says he wants to wait. Alright.
I know Logan. He's got in some Cheez-Its and then some chips.
Do you have that? Oh, he got 2 Cheez-Its. Two cheese. One of them took place at the chips. That's crazy. Logan's work.
Logan's what works?
He tried it. That was crazy. That was crazy.
Boy.
Riley, how'd you? She just smacked me on the side.
Did it give you any snacks at all?
The apple juice. Like, I
So
got
it gave you
one.
what you wanted, just didn't give you all your change. So you're owed $3 more.
Oh my god.
You put a 5 in there. I thought it only takes ones, Isaiah.
Oh.
Take one.
See, guys, you gotta read.
We gotta read.
Oh.
That is strange. Halloween thing.
All right, now don't give me a seizure out here.
Oh, I.
All right. What's up, guys? Track's over, and I got some weekend plans. Going to the basketball game, as I told you. Just got done with track. I got first place in everything in my heat, except for 400. We got to run 400 next week. We didn't have time because soccer's out there. But anyways, going over to Chase's house. He's gonna take me to the game, and then I'm going back home. I'm tired, and I'm hungry. So I'll see you guys on the way to the game, or either wherever I go.
The game.
The game. We at Old Irmo High School.
This word about to take this massive L.
I know they are.
Boy said the massive L.
They are up right now. The girls 20 to 13. You got anything to say or say? All right. Anyways, we made it.
Irmo basketball as we begin second quarter play.
Luke brought the knife. Oh yeah. It's live here. Should have shot with a 3. Shot with a 3. Shot got him a 3. Shot got him a 3. Yeah, shot. Hey, Aaron, shot. Aaron, Sunday right job. That shit hard. And what is up, guys? This is my first time starting a video at night, going somewhere. Gotta do a little bit of night driving. It's my first time leaving the house today. I'm about to go to Five Guys with my mom. Might record there, might not, I don't know. But I'm headed to Five Guys. It's night, as you can tell. Went to the basketball game last night. Dutch Fort got blown out. As I said they would. Let me hit the preset button. Like that. That's how that's done. It does the rest for you with the mirrors. But anyways, yeah, I'm headed to Five Guys. And that's it. I don't have anything to really say. But that's it. Oh, shout out to Elgin. Kiever Folk. He's known as Kiever in Orangeburg. And I don't know where else he's known as Kiever. But yeah, his name's Kiever. He's got a YouTube channel. That's my cousin and all. Go ahead and hit him up on YouTube. Show him some love. And that's all I got to say. So see you guys in a little bit.